In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find keyword lists in Semrush. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, type Semrush into the search bar. You'll want to navigate to Semrush's official website, which is usually the top result. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Semrush, don't worry. It's easy to sign up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to head over to the Keyword Magic tool. This is typically accessible from the SEO dashboard. The Keyword Magic tool is an incredibly powerful feature that will be your go-to resource for keyword discovery. With the tool open, think of a broad keyword that closely relates to your product, service, or topic of interest. Enter that keyword into the search field, and don't forget to select your target country or region. This step is crucial as it helps tailor the search results to your specific audience and market. Once you've entered your keyword, the magic begins. The tool will generate a list of related keywords. These lists aren't just random. They are organized into broad, phrase, and exact match variations, giving you a wide spectrum of possibilities to explore. Now that you have this rich list of keywords, you'll want to refine it to make sure it fits your specific needs. To do this, take advantage of the filter options available. These filters allow you to narrow down the keywords by difficulty, search volume, and intent, among other criteria. Filtering is essential as it helps you pinpoint the most relevant and promising keywords, saving you a lot of time and effort. After filtering, take a closer look at the metrics provided for each keyword. Pay special attention to the search volume, keyword difficulty, and any other metrics that might influence your SEO strategy. These numbers will give you valuable insights into the potential impact of each keyword. Finally, it's time to organize your findings. Semrush allows you to save the keywords into lists, making it easy to access them later. This is particularly useful if you want to use these keywords with other Semrush tools, or simply keep them handy for your own reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly build a comprehensive list of keywords using Semrush. Remember, the key to successful SEO is ongoing research and analysis, so make sure to revisit and refine your keyword lists regularly. Thank you for watching, and happy keyword hunting.